Are you struggling with inconsistent soldering quality? Discover the revolutionary PID plus fuzzy algorithm for adaptive temperature control in ULI automated laser soldering systems. This breakthrough ensures perfect soldering every time. At ULI Robotics, we have perfected laser soldering over the years. Our expertise guarantees the highest quality in every weld. Our blue laser soldering technology offers higher energy absorption and less reflection. This greatly improves the welding process. Experience shorter heating times and lower power consumption compared to traditional systems. ULI offers efficient, reliable results. Watch how the PID plus fuzzy algorithm provides ultra-fast temperature feedback for precise control over the welding spot. Achieve perfection. Contact us now to learn more and see our innovative technology in action. Your future in soldering starts here. Industries like automotive electronics and aerospace trust our solutions. Upgrade your processes today. Contact us now to learn more and see our innovative technology in action. Your future in soldering starts here.